Faster than the very fabric of spacetime itself, it possesses the ability to remain aware of it. Consequently, it will gradually dismantle this concept, filling me with a growing sense of discomfort. At this very moment, the night sky above is undergoing rapid transformation, and in the coming decades, possibly even sooner, it could become entirely unrecognizable. Leading experts, including deGrasse Tyson, have sounded the alarm, acknowledging the inevitable changes brought about by the shifting position. 32 seconds. Of Polaris. The changes behind this phenomenon are surprisingly unexpected. Polaris, widely known as the North Star, has been a dependable feature in the sky for millennia, serving as an essential point of reference for astronomers, navigators, and stargazers alike. However, this could soon be altered, changing the way we perceive the heavens and the manner in which we explore the universe. Let's delve into the implications of this. For centuries, Polaris has been a guiding beacon for sailors and astronomers. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Remaining steadfast in the sky. This constant presence has been crucial for navigation, but this stability may soon be disturbed. A paper released by the prestigious Royal Astronomical Society in September 2023 raised alarms regarding the future of this celestial marker. Polaris is entering a turbulent phase, one where it may explode and disappear from view forever, radically altering the sky we know. Before considering the potential outcomes of this event, let's take a closer look at the characteristics of the star itself. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Polaris stands out due to its position near the celestial North Pole. Located directly above Earth's northernmost point, it appears almost motionless in the sky. It is part of the Ursa Minor constellation, which is often referred to as the Little Dipper. Polaris emits a moderate level of brightness and is categorized as a yellow-white supergiant star. It is significantly larger and brighter than our Sun. However, Polaris is not just a single star. It is part of a complex triple-star system composed of Polaris A and Polaris B as A. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Binary pair, with a third star orbiting them. The gravitational interactions between these stars influence their orbits and behaviors, and any disruptions in these interactions could cause shifts in their brightness or pulsation patterns. Despite this, the exact nature of these forces is not yet fully understood. Polaris is located approximately 323 light-years away from Earth, meaning that the light we observe today began its journey a long time ago. If Polaris were to explode, the effects would not be visible to us for over 300 years. If Polaris has already met its fate, then we are merely awaiting the arrival of its final light, a message from the past traveling across the cosmic expanse. However, if it is still intact, then astronomers have a crucial opportunity to observe its evolving behavior, unlocking insights into the final stages of a star's life cycle. The disappearance of Polaris, should it occur, would not be an instantaneous event but a gradual fading, its pulsations growing erratic before vanishing into the dark. For centuries, civilizations have relied on its unwavering presence, yet even the most constant celestial markers are not immune to the forces of time. The heavens shift, and with them, so does humanity's understanding of the universe. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Despite the uncertainty, astronomers remain committed to unraveling the mystery. Observatories worldwide are now closely monitoring Polaris, analyzing its spectral emissions, temperature fluctuations, and minute variations in brightness. With modern telescopes and space-based instruments, researchers are detecting shifts imperceptible to the naked eye, changes that could signal an impending transformation. While some predict an eventual explosion, others theorize a quieter transition. Instead of a dramatic supernova, Polaris may undergo a less violent shedding of its outer layers, becoming a white dwarf, a stellar remnant still glowing faintly with residual heat. This outcome, though less visually striking, would still mark the end of an era in celestial navigation. Adjustment. Though modern technology has largely supplanted celestial navigation, the loss of Polaris as a fixed point in the night sky would mark a symbolic shift, an end to an era where sailors, explorers, and astronomers alike depended on the unwavering beacon of the North Star. Yet, the universe does not remain stagnant. As one guiding light fades, another inevitably rises. If Polaris were to diminish, our understanding of stellar evolution would deepen. The study of its transformation would provide critical insights into the fate of other variable stars and the intricate dance of celestial mechanics governing their lifespans. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. But what if Polaris does not quietly fade into a white dwarf? Some astronomers speculate that it may undergo an unusual phase of instability before reaching its final stage. If Polaris were to experience a partial collapse, it could briefly surge in brightness before rapidly dimming. This would be an extraordinary event, visible to astronomers worldwide, a sudden yet temporary resurgence before its ultimate decline. Such a development would provide invaluable data, allowing scientists to refine existing models of stellar life cycles. Every flicker, every pulsation, would be scrutinized in an effort to understand the forces at play. Could Polaris defy expectations, following an unpredictable path to its demise? 5 minutes and 55 seconds. As theories abound, researchers remain vigilant, their telescopes trained on this celestial enigma. The night sky, once thought to be immutable, continues to evolve before our very eyes. The loss of Polaris, whether in a spectacular explosion or a slow, quiet fade, would serve as a reminder of the universe's impermanence. And yet, Polaris's legacy would endure. Long after its light has vanished, the star will live on in the minds of those who once relied upon it. Ancient mariners who charted their course by its glow, astronomers who measured the heavens against its steadfast position, and dreamers who gazed upward, seeking guidance from the North Star, all will have been touched by its presence. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Perhaps, one night, the sky will darken just a little more, a gap appearing where Polaris once shone. Some may look up and feel a sense of loss, a disruption in the cosmic order. Others, however, will see an opportunity, a new chapter in our understanding of the universe unfolding before us. And yet, even as Polaris nears its inevitable transformation, new mysteries emerge. The cosmic dance of the stars continues, shifting the very fabric of the heavens in ways both subtle and profound. What lies beyond Polaris's disappearance? Could its remnants, perhaps a faint white dwarf or a cloud of interstellar material, hold secrets yet to be uncovered? Astronomers now turn their attention to the surrounding region of space, searching for signs of what will come next. If Polaris collapses into a white dwarf, it may cool over billions of years, becoming an ember in the vast darkness. However, if it sheds enough material into the cosmos, it could create a nebula, a luminous, ghostly cloud of gas and dust that drifts through space, illuminated by the energy of nearby stars. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Such a nebula would serve as Polaris's final mark upon the universe, a lingering remnant of a star that guided humanity for centuries. It would be a sight of wonder, a cosmic monument to the passage of time. But for those who once relied on Polaris as a point of reference, the absence of its familiar glow would leave an unshakable void. The impact of Polaris's disappearance would not only be felt in science but also in culture. For countless civilizations, the North Star has been a symbol of guidance, hope, and constancy. Stories passed down through generations have woven Polaris into myths of destiny, divine intervention, and cosmic order. Without it, how will future storytellers reinterpret the night sky? 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Perhaps a new North Star will rise in its place, Vega, as predicted in thousands of years, or another distant beacon aligning with Earth's shifting axis. But until then, we may find ourselves in an era of uncertainty, looking up at a sky that no longer provides the same sense of direction it once did. Yet, in this uncertainty, there is also opportunity. The loss of Polaris will not be the end but a transformation, an invitation to explore, to discover, to question. New telescopes and deep space observatories will turn their gaze toward other celestial phenomena, seeking to understand not only the fate of stars but the very nature of existence itself. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. And so, the journey continues. As Polaris flickers in its final moments, whether centuries from now or already lost in the unseen depths of time, its legacy endures. Its light, having traveled across the void for over 300 years, still reaches us, a reminder that even in the vastness of space, no star truly dies. It merely changes, becoming part of something greater, something eternal.